Hello everyone, myself Shalini, and as part of human factor in AI module, here are some of the details on the capstone project that I have chosen. I've picked up a problem from the publishing domain, which basically intends to help authors in simplifying the complex process of selection of the most suitable journal for a manuscript submission. This will help them save time and increase the chance of their acceptance. The key task for our system is analyzing the manuscript's content, such as title and abstract, and mapping it to the content within the database of the journals to find the best match. This can be done either using vector similarity or a keyword based search. Once we retrieve the results from the database, it can be re-ranked it can be re-ranked based on the similarity score, compatibility, and the impact factor. Now let's talk about user experience. So in this solution, there are two set of inputs. One is we are requesting authors to upload their manuscript or to provide an abstract or title. The system will then process the input and provides a list of recommended journals. A feedback loop can be of utmost importance from a user aspect that user can immediately rate the recommendation and provide the feedback on the accuracy, which can be used for further retraining and improvement of the accuracy of the model later. The key UX consideration that has been taken into consideration, one, as already discussed, user input as well as feedback loop. The next would be on the transparency of the model, in which we need to provide a summary of how the recommendation was made, either as I mentioned by using vector similarity or the keyword based search. Also, we need to communicate the uncertainties as well. That if for a given manuscript there are 4 to 5 journals that we are recommending, an associated confidence score along with each of the journals will help the author identify the potential level of similarity of their content with the journal, and it can also give a glimpse of the chances of acceptance. If it is a 90% match, there are more chances of the paper getting accepted in that particular journal. Privacy is crucial when dealing with unpublished manuscript, and in order to protect the sensitive data, we must ensure encryption during upload and processing. In terms of privacy laws, our system must comply with regulations like GDPR when in use in Europe region. Lastly, considering the ethical consideration, so one of the main sources of bias is journal selection bias. If our training data set favors popular journals, it could be disadvantage for other emerging journals as well. Plus, additionally, language bias could also be one of the reason, a potential reason of bias, as a manuscript in languages other than English may receive fewer recommendation. So basically, a solution to this should be a balanced data set with journals covering from all the regions and all the subjects, plus the potential set of languages from uh, in which most of the research papers have been written. So that could be one potential solution for that. And in order to meet ethical AI goals, we have to make sure the solution that we are proposing is fair, it takes the accountability, and it's transparent. Fair when it comes to when we remove those biases by including all the journals across from different region, including multilingual data set, a balanced data set. So this could be a fair goal. I mean, this is how we'll achieve fairness. And when it comes to accountability, we have to ensure that we have to have a clear process of if their users encounter any issues that can report it, and we need to regularly monitor our model performance so that I mean an audit to keep an ensure that it aligns with the intended purpose. Transparency, providing user with the insights on how recommendations are generated, including the main factors influencing each suggestion. Thank you.